I've been like MIA from the channel for the last 10 or so days. I've just been super inconsistent, and to be honest, I think the quarantine stuff and the social distancing and this whole corona thing has really got into my mental. There's been a few days where I've just had like no motivation at all to do any sort of work, so I've just been like binge watching Netflix or just playing way too much video games. On the bright side, I did finish like 1 or 2 books. A couple of things to talk about today, not all related to sneakers, but we do have a bunch of sneaker talk related stuff, or you know, sneaker news kind of stuff. But I do want to start today's vlog off by saying I hope you guys are doing well, sending some positive vibes your way if you guys are going through a hard time right now too. I know I've been going through a hard time, so we're going through this together. And try and get some fresh air when you can. Really try and get some fresh air. I know the topic of like going outside and stuff is a little weird, sort of taboo, but honestly, if you're going outside and you're practicing social distancing and you're not getting into big groups and stuff, you'll be fine. Just do your own thing, get some fresh air, because it honestly really does help out a ton. On that note, one thing that does need a lot of help is my hair. My hair is like day 884 that I need a haircut. It's bad. Anyone else need a haircut? Let me know in the poll in the top right or in the comments, but I am badly in need of a haircut. This is getting pretty ugly. So my sleeping schedule is so weird right now. I've been going to bed around 3 to 4 or 3 to 7 a.m. every day, and I've been waking up at like 3 or 4. It's honestly really bad waking up at 3 or 4 every day, because like so much of the day is gone, and you just feel like you took an L the second you wake up. And L's are things I took of plenty this morning, because 2 sneaker releases launched or dropped, and I completely forgot that they were happening. Like I wrote them down on my like calendar of like sneaker releases coming out. However, I completely forgot to set my alarm early enough to wake up to get them. So I took an L on the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple 2.0s. Let me know if you guys ended up taking a W on these sneakers. I took a fat L. They're basically a purple version of one of my favorite sneakers of all time, the Air Jordan 1 Chicago. So just the purple version of this basically. And if you're an Air Jordan 1 collector, I'm sure you tried to buy those because they have the beautiful Nike Air on the tongue. I don't think resale is going to be too crazy on those. I do like the original 1.0 Court Purples a bit better. But yeah, that's one sneaker I took an L on, so that's why I didn't do like a live cop. I know a lot of people are live streaming trying to buy sneakers. If you guys want to see a live cop on the channel, let me know. But yeah, we took an L on the Court Purple 2.0s, and we also took an L on the latest Yeezy. What's the exact name? Yeezy 700 V3? The new Yeezys that just came out today. I forget the exact. Okay, I'm trying to find the exact name for the sneaker. So I literally searched up hashtag Yeezy on Instagram, and literally look at all these people who are tagging hashtag Yeezy on Air Jordans and Nike photos and Air Force One photos and Air Max Yeezy is Adidas Yeezy. Why are you tagging your Air Maxes, bro? People are using hashtag Yeezy on Chanel bags. All right, I searched up Yeezy 700. This is the exact sneaker that we missed out on. Yeezy 700 V3 to be exact. And apparently these sneakers don't use Boost, but yeah, you guys probably see the better photos on screen right now. We took an L on those too because I forgot to set my alarm to wake my butt up. I would have thought they would have put them on the Adidas app, because that's what they've been doing for Yeezys recently in Canada, but they didn't put them on the Adidas app at all. So I just woke up and took an L. I kind of forgot about that Yeezy releasing. I was more focused on the Court Purples, because as you guys know, the Court Purples were set to release, I believe, on April 4th. So they got pushed back a full week. There was one company in Toronto, or one store in Toronto named Capsule, that I like, they came up on my Instagram feed, and I was like, oh shoot. Oh, it's a post from 12 hours ago. You guys know those posts on your algorithm. Posts on your feed where you think it's a brand new post, but it's actually like a 13-hour post. Capsule in Toronto sold mystery boxes to people who wanted to buy the shoes. So if you just wanted to buy the sneakers, you couldn't do that. You had to spend $300 on a mystery box that had a guaranteed size of the Court Purple ones, and included 1 or 2 extra clothing items that no one obviously wanted to buy because they're going into a mystery box. So that's a little weird, but you know, given the circumstance, I understand if sales are low, so that's one of their ways to try and like recuperate money lost during these times, because I know they have a couple of resale stores, or couple of retail stores. I know Capsule has been whatchamacallit. The store Capsule's been not convicted of. They've been, people say they backdoor Paris. That's what I'm trying to say. People say Capsule backdoor. So 2 big sneaker releases came out today. The Court Purple 2.0s and the Yeezy 700 V3 Triple Black. Which ones do you guys like more? Let me know in the comments down below. On the bright side, however, I didn't just take L's, I took a couple of W's on some brand new sneakers, so I'll show you guys some new sneaker pickups in today's vlog. And also, if you did take an L on the Air Jordan 1, a brand new Air Jordan 1 mid just released like this week. So you guys might want to check them out. They are the Air Jordan 1 Chicago Toe mids. Yes, it sounds weird hearing the word Chicago toe in the same sentence, but they added a black toe box to this. So I have some new sneaker pickups I want to show you guys right now, and some new book recommendations too. I have 3 book recommendations to give you guys. The first one is more of a self-help book that will get you motivated and thinking about your passion. It's a good book if you're feeling down, and it's a good book if you're sort of feeling lost. So yeah, check out It's All in Your Head, Get Out of Your Way by Russ. You guys probably know Russ. If you're Filipino, you definitely know Russ. He's a rapper, and I've seen Russ in concert in Montreal. He was awesome. Russ was awesome. Now, if you want to take control of your financials a bit more, then the book I Will Teach You to Be Rich would be my financial literacy book. I definitely recommend to you guys. It is based from a US author, but there's a lot of things that you can use just in general to apply to your own financials. The one book I am currently reading at the moment is something I really need to do. It's called Get Done. As you can tell, I've not been getting done at all. And I'm living here, bro. I'm living here. I need to get shit done. So today's gonna mark the day of me trying to get my shit back together, and hopefully if you are going through a little mental block, a creative block of any sort, this can also be the day that you change things around. So let's get to some sneakers. Let's talk sneakers. So my boy Carlo actually just reviewed a pair of Air Jordan 1 lows that just came out in the Philippines. They are not yet out in Canada or America to my knowledge, and they're about to release in Japan on April 18th. They are the new Chicago Air Jordan 1 Low, you could call them. I forget what Carlo called them in his review. I'll leave Carlo's video or review linked in the description down below. I really like them. I'm definitely going to try to buy them, but let's unbox some sneakers, shall we? We'll start off with the clothing real quick. I won't try it on, but I did do a little photo shoot with some of the stuff. But this is a full Adidas tracksuit that Adidas sent me. We got the Adidas branding right here. And it's not something I'm used to wearing, like this kind of design where it's color blocked. The pants are so heavily color blocked and you know, defined by these long sections of color. So there's this. This is from Adidas. Thank you, Adidas. I'll leave links to the pants in the description down below. They also sent over a black and white matching hoodie too for the photo shoot, so I'll have photos of that on screen right now. It has some unique color blocking going on. It's like half white on the top right here from the shoulders up, and then we have the Adidas box logos down the middle with some Adidas stitching right there on the kangaroo pouch. So pretty dope. Been wearing these around the house because they're super comfy to wear. So thank you, Adidas. I'll leave both of those items linked in the description down below. Before we get to the next sneaker unboxing, or the only sneaker unboxing for today's vlog or video, let me show you guys all the stuff on my floor. And I really want to do a condo tour, or like an apartment tour kind of video, but I need someone. I want to have someone here with me to film it as I like tour you guys around the house, because I feel like it'll be easier. So we'll see what happens if I do a condo tour within a couple weeks just by myself, or if I have a cameraman for that video, because as you guys know, social distancing, gotta stay away from people. This is the situation with the floor right now. These are the sneakers I will unbox for you guys in just a second, so I'll put those there. These are the face mask. Actually, I'm giving away one of these right now, so let's talk about the winner. I did a competition over on Instagram and Facebook where you guys had to post your top 5 sneakers in your collection, and one person would randomly be chosen to win face mask, a free Bape face mask. So I will now show you guys all of the entries on screen right now. So let's have a little montage of the entries. So shout out to you if you're one of the people who entered.
Yeah, the pressure got me. Don't wanna see tomorrow.
And the winner is on screen right now, because I don't know who won yet, but this is the person who's randomly selected to win the giveaway. So congratulations to our winner. Just contact me, or I'll contact you via Instagram DM. And if you guys want more giveaways, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitch, we will have some giveaways running on each platform in their unique way. One platform we've been giving away some free sneakers on lately is Twitch, and they're not your typical kind of sneakers. So I'm a bit hesitant to give these kind of sneakers away on YouTube because I don't know, I just feel weird about giving it away on YouTube. But on Twitch, it's like Twitch, I don't really care as much. So we give away these on Twitch, and I'll be reviewing them on the channel this week. I'll be filming the video this afternoon. Red Toe Air Jordan 1 Low, along with these Union Air Jordan 1 Lows. These are both shoes we gave away on my Twitch. So if you guys want to come hang out live and talk sneakers and play video games and just chill, check out my Twitch, twitch.tv/sneakertalkca. Both of the winners will be getting these shipped to them this week after I do the reviews. These are all shoes that I plan to review on Sneaker Talk and on Sneaker Talk 365. So if you guys have any video requests to film during the quarantine period we are currently in, and if you guys have any sneakers you want to see reviewed on the channel, let me know in the comment section down below. I will chop it up with you guys down there. Next up, sneaker unboxing time. I sneezed off camera for a little bit, and I coughed a little bit off camera, and I gotta say, my like sneezing and coughing experience will never be the same moving forward. It's weird. You can never sneeze and cough the same in public again. You're gonna get some funny looks. But yo, let's start off with the well, let's get to the one pair of shoes right here. The Air Jordan box, as you can tell with the logo right here. Pop open the lid and bam, here we have it. These have been selling out actually at quite a few stores. Was surprised I was able to get my size. I know these are popular in the Philippines, particularly the Filipinos love their Air Jordan 1 Lows. And so I picked these up. I don't plan to keep these. I'll probably return these realistically, but I did want to do a review for these. These are the Air Jordan 1 Low Noble Red. So the Noble Red Air Jordan 1 Low. I gotta say, they're pretty nice, but I'm not digging the materials and the colors that they use. Like, I like the look of the shoe, but the overall execution I'm not really a fan of. But we'll get into that in the actual review for the Air Jordan 1 Noble Red, probably on my second channel, Sneaker Talk 365. So subscribe to my second channel if you guys want to see an in-depth look at these sneakers right here. Again, they're pretty nice, but for me personally, these are gonna have to be a pass. What do you guys think about these? Let me know with the poll or in the comment section down below. Are these a cop or a drop? The Air Jordan 1 Low Noble Red. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been good seeing you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day. Peace out.